It's a known fact that Titan company is a favorite among long-term investors. But in this video, I will not be talking about long-term investing. I will be talking about swing trading. Hey guys, welcome to Yamini Swing Trader. This is Yamini here. In this video, I will be analyzing Titan company. If you are looking to buy Titan company shares, or if you're just looking to buy some stocks for swing trading, or if you're looking to sell Titan, or if you're thinking whether I should hold on to Titan, how long should I hold on, for all those questions, there is an answer in this video. So guys, the first thing I always recommend whenever you are doing swing trading is that you need to understand or analyze a chart in two primary time frames at least, and I always use weekly and monthly. So first let's go into the monthly chart to find out what's happening with Titan company. So folks, here it is, and you can see Titan company's monthly chart over here. It's been very bullish for the past 4 months, including this month. So it's absolutely bullish stock. Even if you look at the range of RSI, you can see that in the bullish range. So it's not a bad idea to buy the stock, right? And using my triple moving average crossover system, I can tell you that this stock is trending up in the monthly time frame. So now let's move into the weekly time frame. And in the weekly time frame also, clearly it is trending up. Now let's do some price action. So over here you can see in the weekly time frame, it has just recently given a breakout. Just 2 weeks ago it has given a breakout at 2797. There is 2800 level that has been a breakout, and this week it is heading higher. And the RSI also, you can see in the weekly time frame, is in the bullish range, and I think I already said this, but in the weekly time frame it is trending up. So now here I am in the daily time frame, and you can see that the breakout has happened over here on this date. Now it's obviously it is trending up in the daily time frame as well, and do notice how every time it goes up it forms a new low, and the low is always a higher low. So today, if you can see, it is a piercing pattern. Using my reversal strategy, I can tell you that there is a good positive reversal happening in the stock over here. So my expectation is that definitely it will try to break this high of 2914 and go higher. So I can see that there is some resistance over here, but if you notice that all these candles are actually bullish candles, tomorrow it is possible for it to open with a gap up also. The only thing I'm concerned about is that the momentum is dropping slightly compared to the previous high. This high has not created much momentum. So definitely, there can be some lows happening, but the overall trend is in the upward direction. So it is not possible for it to break this low of 2846. Even if there is a bearish candle tomorrow over here, it should definitely take support around 2850 and try to go higher. It should try to break this 2900 level and try to go to 3000 at the least. So guys, if you notice, Titan is making an all-time high in the weekly time frame. It's very bullish, and the RSI has just hit 6870. So there is a lot of move which is left in Titan. So if you're looking to buy some stock, then definitely Titan is the stock for you. It's a go-to stock. And today, if you notice, there was a lot of buying interest in Titan. I think it has given a move of 60 points, almost 2% of move it has given today. So if you're looking to sell Titan, then don't do it right now. Wait for some more time. It will show clear signs of the resistance. So only at that time you're supposed to exit. Until then, hold on to it. This is okay guys, I hope you like this video, and if you did like this video, give it a like, a thumbs up, so that it will be motivating for me. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You will learn a lot about stocks, which stocks to invest in, which stocks to buy, when to sell. It's going to be super useful for you, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Obviously it will be motivating for me as well as a technical analyst. And do tell me what share you want me to analyze next. So I will go ahead and analyze that and make a video out of. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you soon tomorrow with another stock analysis. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.